Hi, this is Justin and Reinhard from the Digital Writing and Research Lab at UT Austin, and this is our second video about the Zoom H5. We will show you a few more features of the H5 and how it sounds when you connect it with different mics. We connected the H5 with our camera via a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. The first feature is the low-cut filter, which filters out lower frequencies. This is important if you want to filter out background noise already while doing the recording. Such background noise could be an AC unit or wind noise. Second, the compressor limiter function allows you to adjust to specific recording situations, especially when recording music. Compressors reduce high levels and raise low levels. Limiters generally reduce the input signal if the music is too loud, for example, if you're at a concert. Phantom power means that the H5 provides power for certain mics. This is usually needed if you want to use a condenser mic. The USB output allows you not only to put data from your H5 on your computer, but it also can be used as an audio interface to record something directly to your laptop or your iPad. Now we want to compare the recordings of different mics. For these recordings, we have chosen the DWRL mission statement from our website. First, the XY H5 mic has two matched unidirectional condenser mics, and it is just a great basic microphone for all kinds of purposes.
The Digital Writing and Research Lab is positioned at the intersection of rhetoric, writing, and technology, and dedicated to the practice, teaching, and theory of emerging digital literacies.
The MS-H6 is a dual mic with a unidirectional and another bidirectional mic, and it is ideal when you want to record ambient noise, background noise, and crowd noise.
These literacies, both multiple and malleable, are a requisite part of a liberal arts education. In the mid-1980s, a group of English graduate students at the University of Texas at Austin started drilling holes in the wall.
The condenser shotgun mic XM55 is usually used for field recordings, especially if you want to record voices in video reports. It is then often directly connected with a camera via an XLR 3-pin cable.
They ran cable that allowed the students to connect 12 computers, which Dr. Jerome Bump had obtained via a grant to form a local area network.
To get rid of wind noise, you can add an artificial fur windscreen to it. This is also often called a dead cat.
And thus, the Computer Research Lab, CRL, was born. Located in the basement of UT's undergraduate library, the CRL's network, which predated the popularization of the internet, made possible some of the first digitally networked writing classrooms.
And the foam windshield works especially great if you want to filter out plosives.
Grad students working in the CRL also developed software for writing teachers and students, with some CRL staffers eventually founding a software company called the Daedalus Group.
This Memorix dynamic mic is a cheap option if you want to record vocals and music, especially karaoke. But for this mic, what's most important is the mic placement.
John Slayton, the lab's first director, published an essay on the lab's history in language learning online with the Daedalus Group. The CRL was renamed the Computer Writing and Research Lab in the 1990s before finally becoming the Digital Writing and Research Lab, DWRL, in 2010.
We've shown you a few more things that you can do with the Zoom H5. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the DWRL website to further hone your digital skill set.